Okay, guys, we have a couple things we're going to do today in math. The first thing you'll need is your number of the day. So, yesterday our number of the day was 8. So, what is our number of the day today going to be? Our number of the day today is 9. So, I need you to write the number 9 right here. Okay? It's a circle around, back up, and a line straight down. Okay, and the word 9 is spelled N-I-N-E. That's how you spell the word 9. And then we're going to do 9 tally marks, okay? And remember, when we get to 5 tally marks, we cross, and then we'll keep going till we get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 tally marks right there. See that one? 9 right there. And then I want you to draw a picture of 9 things. It can be 9 hearts, 9 stars, 9 smiley faces, whatever you want it to be. Go ahead and draw a picture of 9 things right here. And that is all for our number of the day. But we have something else that we need to do. You have your math craft because it's Fun Friday. So the 2 pages I need you to get out are these 2. You have a pumpkin. It's been cut in half, it looks like. Cut right down the middle. And then you have some pumpkin seeds. So the first thing you're going to need to do, oh, and you're going to need your dice, okay? The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to roll your dice. Roll your dice and see how many dots you get, okay? And write that number. I rolled my dice, and I got the number 6. And I need you to write, so once you've rolled your dice, I need you to write that number in the stem, okay? So take your pencil. I'm going to use a marker just so you can see it a little bit better, but take your pencil and write that number in the stem, okay? So I have my number written up in the stem, okay? So first off, you only need one of these squares. You don't need all of this. You just need one of these squares. So I'm going to cut out just one of these squares because I only need 4 seeds. I need one that has a tens frame, one that says write it, one that says draw it. So I just need one square like this, one rectangle. Okay, so these are the 2 things I need. Okay, now that I have my number, my job is to make a number sentence that adds up to that number, put my number in a tens frame, draw something, a picture of something that many times, so mine would be 6 times, and then write the number word, okay? So now I'm going to do all of those things for the number 6, and then I'll come right back. But you're doing it for your number that's up in your stem, okay? So first I'm going to think of 2 numbers, if you add them together, that make the number 6. So I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. If you need to get out your counters to help you figure that out, you can. And a way you can do that is you can get out 6 counters and then decompose them into 2 groups. Put them into 2 groups to see how many, or get out however many counters you have. If it's 4, get out 4 counters, put them into 2 groups. Then I'm going to do 6 dots on my tens frame. You do however many your number is. Okay, then I'm going to draw a picture of something 6 times. You do it however many times your number ended on. I'm going to do 6 hearts. You need to do something kind of small so that it'll fit in your pumpkin seed. And then I'm going to write the word. The word 6 is spelled S-I-X. So I know how to spell that. Just try to sound out your word. Now, Now that I have all of that, I'm going to color my pumpkin. I'm going to color it, and then I am going to cut it out. So first I'm going to color it, and then I'll show you how to cut it out and glue it together. Okay, so now I have my pumpkin that's colored, and I have my seeds, and I'm going to cut these out. Okay, so now I have my seeds and my pumpkin, and the seeds go on the inner part of the pumpkin. If you've ever cut open a pumpkin, you can see that the seeds and the ooey gooey part are on the very inside. So I'm going to glue my seeds right in here. So I'm going to go grab my glue stick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to glue those down. All right, so now you have your pumpkin with your seeds inside, your number on top, all ready to go. Put that in your folder to come back next week.